We have seen our fair share of some snow over the past few days, and now we're going to be transitioning back towards some lake effect snow as we are getting into the brand new week, as our winds are going to be a little bit more gusty and now coming in from the northwest. So classic snow belts going downwind of Lake Michigan, Lake Superior, still past the midnight hour tonight, and even as we're getting into most of our Monday too. Check out the model as we're going closer to the lunch hour by the afternoon. Lake effect snow really does start to pick back up as we're going right there towards the day on Monday. So it does look like even if you're a little bit further off to the east, closer to the Lake Huron shoreline, we still could get a few of these bands moving throughout your skies as we get into the day tomorrow. Just remember, with lake effect, it's more scattered, isolated. It's not as widespread as system snow, but if you're in one of those bands, visibility can be reduced very, very quickly. And even still, as we're going right there into the day on Tuesday, we still do have that northwest component to the wind, so you're still going to be talking about chances even for some more lake effect snow as we're getting into the day on Tuesday. Looks like the coverage a little bit more isolated as we're going into Tuesday compared to Monday, but nonetheless, we'll still have that chance out there for you, and the temperatures are going to be very, very cold as we are getting into the brand new week. So here's a look at our snowfall trends, where you do have some of those darker blues, areas near Gaylord, East Jordan, Bel Air, Mansalona, and even going into Luce County as well. I think those are going to be more of the sweet spots where we easily could talk about several more inches of snow from now until we're going late Monday nights, getting into the day on Tuesday. Winds are also going to be a big topic of discussion. Here's a look at those gusts as we're going later into this evening, past midnight tonight. Still coming in from the northwest. It does look like the numbers could subside just a little bit as we're going into early on Monday morning, but picking right back up as we get right there into your Monday afternoon. So still helping to blow and drift that snow around as we're getting into the day tomorrow. Let's go ahead and get you live weather stations out there right now. It is chilly and it is breezy. We're talking about Cadillac right now at 18 degrees. Winds right there over 10 plus miles per hour. McBain pretty close to that number at 19, with your numbers right there at 10 miles per hour. And Charlevoix, a little bit farther off to the north, your current number currently sits right now at 21 degrees. So as we get you the numbers past midnight tonight, just air temperatures alone, single digits, if not even areas north of the bridge, trending back below zero. And the winds still coming in from the northwest is going to make it feel even colder than that. I do suspect we're talking about negative numbers as we go past the midnight hour with your wind chill. Even still, some spots could be trending back in the negative double digits. So when we talk about the numbers this cold, just some things to keep in mind as we're going throughout the next few days. If you have to venture out at any point, layers will continue to be the name of the game. Just try to avoid longer periods of time if you can outdoors. Take time to go inside, warm up, keep your pets nice and warm. Also not a bad idea to keep your faucets dripping past midnight tonight. Let's get your numbers into the overnight period. There it is, teens if not some single-digit values, or I should say as we get into the day tomorrow. So that's it as we go throughout the afternoon. It's going to be a very, very cold day. Tomorrow, your numbers into western low are just barely getting into the low teens, 11 near 12 degrees. That's going to be it for afternoon highs. Eastern lower, your numbers back into the low to mid-teens, just a hair warmer closer to the immediate lake shore, but 15, 16, that's going to be about it. And as we go into central lower, still not much warmer here. Low to mid-teens, 12, 13 degrees, but wind chills even as we're going into the afternoon tomorrow. Still going to be feeling closer to zero as we go throughout the day. So it's just going to be very, very cold as we continue on throughout the next few days. Lake effect chances looking good by Tuesday, spotty by midweek, but check out the numbers, Jatine. Late week getting into the weekend, a little bit of a warm up. Could even have some 30s by next weekend.